Welcome to the world of mathematics. Dive into the wonders of maths with Mind Over Maths channel. Let's get started.
Formulae we got for the Fourier transform. After applying the formulae, we got the solution for the Fourier transform of the function f of x. So this is our Fourier transform solution. So we got our first answer. Now we are going to evaluate the second subdivision given in the problem, which is minus infinity to plus infinity is your formula, but we are going to evaluate 0 to infinity s cos s minus sin s divided by s cube cos s by 2 into dx. So this we are going to evaluate. How to do this? So if you look at the integrand for and in the value, the term is same like what term you are getting here, but one term is missing is cos s by 2 is missing. So that we are going to apply inversion Fourier transform formula. So the inversion we are going to do inversion of Fourier transform formula is so all of you know the inversion will be small f of x. The small f of x is 1 by root of 2 pi. Integration limit is always from minus infinity to plus infinity. Capital F of s into e power minus isx ds.
Thanks for watching Mind Over Maths channel. Like, comment, and subscribe.